Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing Introduction to Trigonometry. In the last class we discussed exercise L1.3 up to second question. So today's section I am going to discuss the third and fourth question. So what is the third one? If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So here we want to find out the value of a. So first write down given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 80, right? And already we know that the tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, right? So instead of this tan 2a, we can write cot 90 minus 2a. So here in a theta place 2a is there. So cot tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a. Right? So this is equal to cot a minus 80 as it is. Here write down reason. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So here is a theta 90 minus theta. Is it clear? So now both sides cot get cancelled. Remaining 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. 18 comes this side, this become a plus, and minus 2a goes this side, this become a plus. So here 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. A plus 2a, right? So 19 plus 18 is 180 is equal to a plus 2a 3, right? So now 3 comes this side, this divide. 208 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So here 3 ones are 3, 36. So now a is equal to 36. Is it clear? So this area find the value of a. The value of a is 36 degree. Therefore, the value of a is 36 degree. Right. So next, the fourth one. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. So here we want to prove a plus b is equal to 90 degree. So first write down given that tan a is equal to cot b, right? So here write down tan a as it is, and cot b we can write tan 90 minus b, because we know that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So here we can write tan 90 minus b. So reason here, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So here tan b we can write cot b we can write tan 90 minus b, because here is a formula is that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So in a theta place here is a b. So cot b is equal to tan 90 minus b. Is it clear? So here both side tan get cancelled. So remaining term a is equal to 90 minus b. So b comes this side, this becoming plus. So a plus b is equal to 90. Hence proved. Is it clear? Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. So here we want to find out the value of a. So first write down given that. So what they given? Sec 4a is equal to cosec A minus 20. And here we know that the sec theta is equal to 90 minus cosec theta, right? So apply here. Here cosec 4a. Instead of theta, here we have 4a. So here we can write cosec 90 minus 4a. So write down here cosec 90 minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. So this is the right way. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Right? So both side cosec get cancelled. Remaining 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. Minus 20 comes this side, this become a plus 20. Minus 4a goes that side, that become a plus 4a. So now 90 plus 20 degree is equal to a plus 4a. So add this, we got 110 is equal to 4a plus a is 5a. So now 110 divided by 5 is equal to a. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, remaining 1 and 10, so 22s are. So here a is equal to 22 degree. So therefore write down. Hence the value of a is 22 degree. Is it clear? So next, the sixth one. If A, B and C are interior angle of a triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C divided by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Right? So here, we know that in a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle, right? So angle sum property of a triangle. So here you can write angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus angle A. Angle A comes this side, this become a minus. Is it clear? So here we want B plus C. So that's why we make here B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. And here we want divided by 2. B plus C divided by 2. Right? So the whole equation divided by 2. So now this become angle B plus angle C divided by 2 is equal to 180 minus A divided by 2. So now you can write angle B plus angle C is equal to 90 minus A by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2, 90 is a 180. Right? 90 minus A by 2. Is it clear? So now we want here sine. So multiplication both sides by sine. So here also divided by 2 as it is. So multiplication by sine on both sides. So sine B plus C divided by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus A by 2. Is it clear? So now sine B plus C divided by 2 as it is. And here sine 90 minus A by 2 we can write cos A by 2, because we know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So that's why here we can write cos A by 2. So write down reason here. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Right? So here hence true. Is it clear? Well, students, this exercise is the last question. That is the seventh one. What they given? Express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of a trigonometric ratios of an angle between 0 and 45. So we want to express these two in a between 0 and 45. So first write down given sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree, right? So this sin 67 we can write 90 minus 23. So write down sin 90 minus 23. 90 minus 23 is a 67. So plus here also cos as it is. The 75 we can write 90 minus 15. So 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 we got 75. And we know that the sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta. Right? So here sin 90 minus 23 is a cos 23. Plus here also cos 90 minus 15. We know that the cos 90 minus theta is a sin theta. So here cos 90 minus 15. So sin 15. Sin 15. Write down your reason. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Right? So here they said angle between 0 and 45. These two are 0 and 45, between 0 and 45.